Paying invoices in QuickBooks Online is essential for managing expenses and keeping track of vendor payments. Here's how to do it. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to Pay Bills. Click the plus new button on the left-hand menu. Under the Vendors column, select Pay Bills. Select the vendor and invoice. A list of outstanding bills will appear. Choose the vendor and the specific invoice you want to pay. If there are multiple invoices from the same vendor, you can select the ones you want to settle. Enter payment details. Payment account. Choose the account you're using to pay the bill, such as your bank account. Payment date. Set the date of the payment. Payment method. Choose the payment method, such as check, credit card, or online transfer. Confirm the amount. Ensure the correct payment amount is entered, especially if making a partial payment. QuickBooks will automatically fill in the total due. Save payment. After reviewing the details, click Save and Close or Save and Print if you need to print a check.